Looking for a career where you can make a real difference? A certified nurse assistant, or CNA, provides essential hands-on care to seniors in long-term care. What does a CNA do? CNAs help with daily activities for residents who need it. Take vital signs and monitor the well-being of residents. Provide emotional support. Work in skilled nursing facilities. CNAs play a vital role in healthcare, making a meaningful impact every day. And the best part? Becoming a CNA is more accessible than you think. There are 2 paths to becoming a CNA: earn and learn or self-funded. Choose what works best for you. How to get started? With Earn and Learn, you get hired at a participating skilled nursing facility and earn a wage while training at little to no cost. Prefer more flexibility? The self-funded path lets you enroll in a state-approved training program and complete training at your own pace. Why become a CNA? CNAs are in high demand, offering job security, career growth, and a chance to make a difference. Take the first step toward a rewarding career and begin your CNA story. Ready to start?